Still no justice. Family of slain child Ananda Dean loses hope of finding her killer. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, we will fix them. Security Minister promises to repair all run-down police facilities.
Indicom seeks senior officers, if any, were responsible for the death squad.
Seaweed invasions and Mary fishermen losing big as sargassum seaweed litters beach.
Get them out. Local government minister outlines plan to deal with permanent patients.
And in business news, let them pay. Government being criticized for offering too many tax incentives to small businesses.
There is also sports post commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what do you think can be done to improve the police force?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.